Training need analysis, housekeeping in situ. Introduction. Training need analysis (TNA) is the process of identifying the gap between employer training and needs of training. Kumbaga, mas aalamin natin kung alin yung mas kayang improve ng mga nag-survey and kung alin yung mas yung weaknesses and yung strength. Dito naman po sa respondent profile, yung age po, mas madami yung 20, 21, 4, 26, isa, and then yung dito po parang mas pinag-ano ko na lang po ito kasi mayroon naman doon sa portfolio, doon ko na lang po nilagay lahat. Dito lang po is summary lang naman po yung ano ko, and then female 9, and then 3 male po yan, na mali lang yung pagkalagay. Survey result. Yung survey result ko naman po is basic competencies. Ano lang po ako, kung baga sinamarize ko lang po, kumuha lang ako nung mas matataas, and then yung dapat pa-improve, like practices, occupation, health and safety procedure, evaluate hazard and risk 70%, no 30%, control hazard and risk 80%, 20% no, maintain occupational health and safety awareness 90% to 10%, perform basic first aid procedure 80% to 20%. Dito naman po sa common competencies, develop and updating industry knowledge, seek information of the industry, yes 70%, no 30%, update continuously relevant and industry knowledge 80% to 20%, no, develop and update and service to customer 90% and 10%, no, promote product and service to customer 80%, no 20%. Dito naman po sa core competencies, deal with the handle intoxicated guests, determine the level of intoxication 80% to 20%, no, apply appreciate procedure 70% and 30%, comply with legislation 80% to 20%. Kung baga, kinuha ko lang po yung mga mas matataas, and then yung mga dapat pa i-improve. Kung baga sinamarize ko na lang po ito. Kasi doon po sa portfolio ko po, nilagay ko na lang naman po yun doon. Analysis, yung mga competencies achieved, participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, practice occupational and health and safety procedure, develop and update industry knowledge, observe work hygiene procedure, perform workplace and safety practice, provide effective customer service, clean and prepare rooms for incoming, provide ballot pattern service, clean public areas, facilitator equipment, yung mga dapat pang improve po, practice career professionalism, provide housekeeping service to guests, laundry and guest clothes. Ito po yung mga, kumbaga, inisa ko na lang po yung basic, common, and core competencies po. Conclusion or recommendation. My observation, some of my respondents also to learn with the diverse competencies and to improve. My recommendation, oriented service, safety first, safe handling of soil items and potentially hazardous situation. Ito po yung photo documentation ko po. And then, ito po yung appendices, all complete forms ko po. Yun lang po. Thank you.